If you're considering Andrew Ng's machine learning specialization on Coursera, you're probably wondering if it's still worth taking in 2026. The short answer is absolutely yes. It's one of the highest rated and most respected machine learning programs available online, making it an excellent choice for beginners who want to build a strong AI foundation. Before we get started, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. The machine learning specialization is offered by Stanford University and DeepLearning.AI and is taught by AI pioneer Andrew Ng, along with Jeff Ladwig and Aarti Bagul. The program has earned an outstanding 4.9-star rating from nearly 39,000 reviews with more than 800,000 learners already enrolled. The specialization includes 3 comprehensive courses. You'll begin with supervised machine learning, covering linear regression and logistic regression. Next, you'll move into advanced learning algorithms, including neural networks and TensorFlow. Finally, you'll learn unsupervised learning, clustering, recommender systems, reinforcement learning, and practical machine learning techniques used in real-world AI applications. Throughout the program, you'll build projects using Python, NumPy, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and Jupyter while learning industry best practices for developing reliable machine learning models. One of the biggest strengths of this specialization is its beginner-friendly approach. While basic Python knowledge is helpful, Andrew Ng explains complex concepts in a clear and practical way, making it accessible for learners who are just starting their AI journey. After completing the program, you'll earn a shareable certificate from Stanford University and DeepLearning.AI that you can add to your LinkedIn profile and resume. If you're planning to continue learning AI after this course, purchasing additional specializations individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter option. Right now, you can save 40% on the annual Coursera Plus subscription, reducing the price from $399 to just $239 per year. That's less than $20 a month for access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects. If you're serious about building a career in AI or machine learning, Andrew Ng's machine learning specialization remains one of the best investments you can make in 2026. If you found this review helpful, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.